welcome back to the Sweet Star Candle YouTube channel, and today we're going to be testing some brand new mica powders from Micas. So this is part 2 of a 2-part series, and I'll have part 1 down below. So for step 1, I'm going to measure out about 5 ounces of wax melt wax. I'm going to place my pitcher on my wax melter, and I'm going to prep my clamshell. So while my wax melt wax is melting, I'm going to add a small amount of our glitters and mica powder into my clamshell. So first up is koi. Next is grasshopper. Next is Nancy Sinatra's gold boots. Next is Indigo Girls. Next is Spacewalk. And finally, Heliotrope. If you are wondering what a heliotrope is, I had to look it up. It's basically a really pretty purple flower. So my wax melt wax has hit 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and so I'm going to pour into each of the cells of my clamshell. And then once I've poured, I'm going to mix in with my popsicle sticks to make sure the mica powder is fully incorporated. I'm going to let my wax melt solidify, and I'll be right back. So let my wax melt sit overnight, and I'm going to get them popped out. So the first one I'm going to get melting is called koi. Next is grasshopper. Next is Nancy Sinatra's Gold Boots. Next is Indigo Girls. Next is Spacewalk. And finally, Heliotrope. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll have a link below to all of the Mad Micas I use in this video. You can also check out my website, sweetstarcandles.com, and you can use code YT15 for 15% off. Thank you everyone again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next week.